So today I'm reviewing a free sample by the brand. It's a View Win, and is this nice textile flowers that you put around the collar of your dog. And I like them. Let me tell you why. Because this is very resistant. So it doesn't matter. My dog is between a medium, large size. I put them on, and it goes to the neck, and it's so beautiful. Even though he's a boy, he is also going to look nice on a pink. They have different colors, so you can match it with different bandanas, different things. My dog is wearing the yellow one, and like it doesn't bother him. Even if this moves around, the textile will last a while because it's very strong. So even if he runs, if he throws himself on the floor, then I feel comfortable that this is not going to break. If I need to, I can clean them gently by hand and let them dry. So he's always going to be in a fashion, if I can call it like that. So this is a great decoration if you want to do something fun with your doggy. I hope you enjoy them, and thank you for watching.